Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope that all of you would have been fine. Today we are starting our lecture number 11. Our topic is speed of moving objects. First of all, we will define the speed. Speed is the rate at which an object covers distance. Speed is the rate at which an object covers distance, average speed. The average speed is the distance, a scalar quantity per time ratio. The average speed is the distance, which is a scalar quantity per time ratio. We will explain the scalar quantity, that how the speed is a scalar quantity, in next slides. Formula. The formula for speed is equal to distance divided by time. Distance divided by time. Units of speed. To work out what the units are for speed, you need to know the units for distance and time. In this example, distance is in meters and time is in seconds, so the units will be meters per second. Look here, to calculate the units of speed, you will have to be familiar with the units of distance and the units of time. What are the units of distance? The unit of distance is meter and the units of time is second. So the unit of speed will be meter divided by second. Look here, meter divided by second, meter per second, or meter divided by second, or meter per second. The unit of speed is meter per second. Scalar quantity. In everyday use and in kinematics, the speed of an object is the magnitude of the change of its position. Actually, speed is a vector scalar quantity, and the scalar quantities are those which have only magnitude. They don't have direction. So speed also have only magnitude, it don't have any direction, so it is a scalar quantity. It is thus a scalar quantity. Constant speed. When the speed of an object remains the same, it does not increase or decrease, we say it is moving at a constant speed. Listen again. When a body moves with the same speed or the speed remains constant, it does not decrease or increase with increase in time, increase or decrease in time, so it will be constant speed. Uniform speed. If an object is traveling in such a way that it covers the same distance for each interval of time it is traveling, then it is said to be traveling with uniform speed. In uniform speed, if a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, it will be its uniform speed. Listen again. If an object is traveling in such a way that it covers the same distance for each interval of time it is traveling, then it is said to be traveling with a uniform speed. So this is the end of our lecture. Now you are going to write this lecture on your notebooks and you are going to prepare this topic thoroughly, read it from your book thoroughly, and then we will inshallah next week proceed to our next lecture.